Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Milen and I'm a personal stylist. And today you might be wondering why I'm not wearing my color. There's a reason for it. And also, I'm in a different background. This is my series, it's not a series, but kind of, where I show you how to take what you have in your closet or things that you just want to buy that may not be in your colors, in your lines necessarily, and make it work for you. I did another video a while back showing you how I dyed some of the clothes that I bought that were white using natural dyes. Today, or this time around, I'm doing it a little bit differently. I'm gonna attempt to use RIT dye. Never tried it before, so I'm really excited. This is just part one of this, so it may or may not have worked. I didn't want to wait till everything was filmed to put these out. I kind of wanted to take you along the journey just to show you the reality of it. So today, including this beautiful top that I'm wearing, all these pieces are in a white or an off-white in natural fibers, so cottons, linens, and I'm gonna dye them into the colors that look better on me. There are some that fit my lines more than others. I'm gonna show you how I maybe altered them. So quick, easy sewing alterations that pretty much anyone can do if you have a sewing machine. And if you don't, you could use hemming tape if you wanted to. These are supposed to be pretty easy, practical steps that you can take. I am not the best seamstress, so honestly, if I can do it, you can do it too. So let me walk you through the plan and what I want to dye. We're gonna start with just the colors, and I might put in a few notes on what I wanted to do with any alterations. Not all of them are gonna need it, but just to give you an idea. These are also going to be all spring summer clothes. I figured if I start now, they'll actually be done by the time it happens, because if not, honestly, I don't want to spend my time indoors doing all of that work when I could be outside. All of this is either things I've had already in my wardrobe or they were thrifted through ThredUp. Come along with me. This is going to be the pinks. What we have here is a knitted, they're all cotton. Everything I have is either cotton or linen. This one has a rip here. It's supposed to be like that. So that's easy to fix. I love that this is cropped. It's a little bit sexy, I guess. That's not really, wasn't really the goal, but I like that it has a V-neck for my body type, and it's gonna look so good with jeans, shorts, and so on. And it's casual, but you could dress it up. Next, we have more of a casual top. I love a high neck, even in the summer. I love that this is very thin, so it will be cooling, not too hot. And I have a lot of tank tops and t-shirts, but I don't have good short sleeve options that have a little bit of intrigue. This has the high neck, like I said. It also has ruching on the side, which I don't need for my body type, but to me, it adds a little cuteness, and I do have that in my essences, so I wanted to amp that up. Okay, so we're switching colors. This is going to be my favorite green. I actually do have a lot of this green already. Oh gosh. Okay, hair's fixed. I have a lot in this green already, but it's probably my favorite color besides pink. And this is a heavier knit. It's much thicker, but it's all cotton, so it's very cooling to the touch. It actually is longer, but I'm hoping you can see that that does not look good on me, so I'm probably going to just tuck it in or roll it up because it's so thick and very structured. It's not going to fall down. Like, you could just leave it like that. I could make this myself, yes, but it would take me 2 years. This just makes me feel like I live in the 90s, early 2000s, great time for fashion. This is another in the green section. It is linen, very thin and too large, so I will crop it. Just hem it like that. Nice and boxy for my boxy shape. Great V-neck right here. And then we bring in the cute with a little bit of this. And it's not too put together, like it's got wrinkles, but I like it. I don't have anything like this. This one's a little bit something I don't have. I will say too many ruffles. So I'm actually going to remove a layer, just one ruffle. We don't need to go crazy. I'm not a dramatic, I'm not a gamine, so love the asymmetry. The ruffles are very cute, which I love. Super boxy, already cropped, so I don't have to do anything there. Very lightweight, like it's cooling to the touch. It's a little bit different for me. What I find really hard is going out tops. If you're a millennial, you know that that was a thing. We used to have so many of those. Did I go out? No, but I wanted one. And now I'm an adult. I go out to dinners and I find it's hard to have a cute going out top. We're switching colors. Now we're going into the reds. Red is the hardest color for me to find in my palette. Stores don't like it, I guess. So I want to love this top. It doesn't quite fit. It's a little too low. Lots of room here for the girls that I do not have. So I may have to take it in because this is meant to be kind of structured and fitted to your lines a bit more. Love all the square shapes on me. My goodness. This is my way of doing peplum because I don't need to wear peplums and it's sort of more on my classic side. It needs ironing. Yes, I know. Thank you. The other option I have for this, because this color is not bad on me, it's kind of a cream. I was thinking of pressing flowers onto it. Don't quote me on it because that seems like a lot of work. Another going out top, but this time the lace detailing, all cotton, you guys. Do you know how rare that is? Originally, I was going to take this string out and make it more like A-line boxy shape. You know what? Honestly, I love it. I love when you cinch this in. Let me just show you. I don't know, I just love it. Keeps it more casual and also crops it on its own. I wouldn't have to alter this or anything. And the back is just no lace. This is really outside of what I normally wear because I never do anything that's fitted. It's super cottage core vibes and a little bit romantic, which technically romantic is not in my essences. But I just wanted something super girly, like a super girly sundress that still works. And because it's in a very structured cotton, it's not too flowy. Like it actually just stays in the A-line shape, which I love. She's a little bit short. So what I'm going to do in this, I'm so excited about. I'm going to make myself little bloomers. This in red, I can't. It'll be too beautiful. Never really owned something like this. Always wanted to. What I do think it works for me is these thicker straps look great on me. And they're very square. And there's a square shape here, which is nice. The rest of it doesn't really fit my lines. It's short and kind of comes into an A-line. So it works. We can make it work. And it's just kind of part of focusing in on one type of essence that I have to fit a mood that I'm in at the time. Moving on to a new color. This is going to be kind of like a tanned yellow banana chip color, brownish. Now, this is not my typical vibe. Super roomy for a reason. This is my period dress. It's the best. It's the best. If you don't have a period dress or period clothes, get on this train. Basically, you can dress this up. If you had to leave the house, which hopefully you don't have to, you just wear leggings. I wear my cashmere tights, some cute boots, a turtleneck in the winter under this, and it's cute. I have been wearing it in this color for a while. I thought I would really love it. It just feels a little bit too bright on me. So I do want it to go more into a brown and it'll just be more versatile. The sleeves kind of bother me. I don't love tapering on me. It just never sits right because I just don't need it. My body just does not demand it. But that's okay. It keeps it kind of cute and we make it work. I pretty much live and breathe in these knitted tanks all summer. I have so many. Did I need more? maybe not. But I don't have this color, and that's important to me because I wear them so often. I need them in every single color I can get. I don't adore the shape, but it kind of goes with my more casual vibe, my natural essence. So I'm not angry about it. I'm really wearing it in super casual settings. I love that it's cotton, so it's not too hot. But I really, really love the deep V, thick straps. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Could I make it? Yes. Will I make it? Maybe one day. This might take me years. That was part 1. Wait for part 2, where I'm going to show you how I'm dyeing them. It'll be so much fun.